Hi, Madison. This is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. You spoke with my employee, Amber, and said that we could send you this video. I'm just making this quick video to give you tips on how to use Google's language on your website so you can start bringing in more customers for free. We're doing this because I used to own my own roofing company here in Alaska, so I do understand the struggles that contractors face, as well as I understand business owners being too busy running the business. They don't have the free time to sit in front of the computer every day and learn how to make the internet work for them to bring the business to them. And we found the biggest thing that holds owners back from hiring a marketing agency is not knowing which one is going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. So we believe in giving that value up front, and we've been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. And there's still been a lot of owners who reach back out to us and ask for our help to get this stuff done. So if after this video you see that we know our stuff and we can deliver you good results, then you can always give us a call back just to chat. If you want to take the information and just make changes to your site yourself, please do. This is free education. I'm here to talk about 3 points today: content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm on your homepage here. It's a beautiful site and it's easy to read. This is a very common layout I've seen. Now, the appearance is for the customers. Google is not ranking your site based on appearance. Google is using bots called crawlers, and these crawlers are scanning all of the content within your site to try and find keywords to rank you for in customer search results. So for Google, content is king. It's recommended that you have at least 1,500 words on the homepage and at least 500 words on each back service page. You also want to use a rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want 100 words of content. This prevents keyword stuffing, and having your site set up this way will do 2 things. It shows Google you're an expert in the industry, and it's going to have Google putting your website at the top of more search results, which means more customers. An example of a keyword is Columbus roofers, being searched about 300 times or so a month. Now, when customers do any type of a search, they're going to see this map pack or Google My Business. To get this optimized, you want to add your company contact information, photos, and website. Then you need to get citations, which are online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages. There's thousands out there, and you want to have your information on at least 100 directories more than your competitors to start ranking in the top 3 here, which is where customers call the most in the map pack. Now down here, these are the organic search results. They kind of get rotated on the first page here. Google has a Google dance where it's changing them out. But your top competitor right now is Newman Roofing. So I'll be using their website as the example for the remainder of the video. Now here we can see just how much content they got on their first page, so you can decide if that 1,500, 500 rule of thumb is good enough for you. And for the other side of things, we use a paid tool called Ahrefs. This is showing what's happening on the back end of a website. Right now it's your site. So your homepage has a ranking of 13. The entire website has a domain ranking of 8. Now these numbers are on a scale from 0 to 100, ranking your website to all other websites on the internet. Now, the ranking is also made by the backlinks. A backlink is just when another website online is linking to your site and driving traffic to you. This is a way Google gets to be competitive, so be cautious. Not all backlinks are created equal. Before you link to a site, make sure that it is high ranking and relevant to the roofing and restoration business. Right now, you have 26 links coming from 8 sites. Currently, you have 16 keywords getting ranked, and all of this is giving you about 14 traffic a month. If we take a look at Newman Roofing, who we saw on the top of search results, they have a stronger site. So we'll go through their almost 2,700 backlinks to try and find any high quality, high ranking ones to put onto your site. Then we're going to hunt down backlinks your competitors aren't using to put them on your site as well, so that you're beating all their ranking and dominating that market. Now their links are coming from 143 sites. They have 844 keywords, and all of this is giving them 1,300 traffic a month. So you can see the opportunity to grow is there. You just need to know how to get your website at the top and in front of all those customers looking for you guys. So quick recap, you're going to want to get at least 1,500 words on the homepage and at least 500 words on each back service page. Use that rule of thumb for every keyword. Get at least 100 words of content. Then you want to get your contact information into as many online directories as you can to boost up into the Google Map Pack. and you want to go get some high ranking roofing relevant backlinks so that you can get more authority and increase your ranking here. With these 3 steps, you'll be ranking #1 across Google. I know this was a lot of information, but you can take it and apply it yourself. That's totally okay. This is free education. My team is really just here for the feedback. We want to know if we're delivering good value when we send out these videos. If you guys did want help because this is a little bit out of your element, or you guys are all pretty busy as is, but you see the value in it, go ahead and reach out to us. We'll have a chat, see if we're a good fit, and we can get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or employees if you guys are needing to grow your crews. Now my partner Amber will follow up in the next few days to get your feedback on the video, so thank you again for letting us send it and taking the time to watch it. I hope you got good value out of it. Take care.